I will never stop reminding people, I will never stop educating people about the cause that my people have been fighting for the past 100 years. I will never stop reminding people that this did not start on October 7th. This is a 100-year colonial project that started way before all of us were born, and we are now the descendants of those Palestinian refugees that were ethnically cleansed in 1948. And I'm here today to tell that story and to remind you all to never forget. I will never stop speaking, no matter the consequence. Montreal, me personally, I will never stop speaking, no matter the consequence, because a lot of people that we know, the consequence of them being Palestinian is not losing their job, losing a brand deal, losing opportunities. It's losing their life just for being Palestinian. So I couldn't care less about a brand deal, to be completely honest with you. I couldn't care less about an opportunity, and neither should you. My message to you is very simple. Don't be afraid to speak your truth. Don't be afraid to inspire. No matter the consequence. Please, never forget our brothers and sisters in Gaza, in Ramallah, in Haifa, in Akka. Don't forget our brothers and sisters in Syria, in Lebanon. Don't forget our brothers and sisters in Congo, in Sudan, in Yemen. We're all in this together, Habaib Qalbi. And as a Palestinian, to anyone that has stood beside us, I just say to you, I hope to be able to invite you one day to a concert in liberated Palestine, inshallah.